Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the top 7 must-visit places in Canada. From coast to coast, Canada is known for its natural beauty, diverse culture, and friendly people. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning traveler, these destinations are sure to leave a lasting impression. Let's get started. 1. The Rocky Mountains. First on our list is the Rocky Mountains, located in Alberta and British Columbia. This majestic mountain range offers some of the most breathtaking views in the country. Hike to the summit of Mt. Robson, the highest peak in the Canadian Rockies, or take a scenic drive along the famous Icefields Parkway. 2. Niagara Falls. Next, we have Niagara Falls, located in Ontario. The Niagara Falls are a group of 3 waterfalls that straddle the border between Canada and the United States. Take a boat tour to the base of the falls for a truly unforgettable experience. 3. Old Quebec City. Number 3 on our list is Old Quebec City, located in Quebec. This charming city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is known for its well-preserved 17th and 18th century architecture. Take a stroll along the cobblestone streets, visit the historic Chateau Frontenac, or indulge in some delicious local cuisine. 4. Banff National Park. Number 4 is Banff National Park, located in Alberta. This stunning park is home to the Canadian Rockies and offers a wide range of outdoor activities, from hiking and fishing to skiing and hot springs. Don't miss the famous Lake Louise, known for its turquoise waters and picturesque mountain views. 5. Tofino. Number 5 is Tofino, located on Vancouver Island in British Columbia. This small surf town is known for its rugged coastline, picturesque beaches, and world-class surf. Take a walk along the beach, go whale watching, or indulge in some fresh seafood. 6. The Canadian Prairies. Number 6 is the Canadian Prairies, located in Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta. This vast and beautiful region is known for its rolling hills, wide open spaces, and friendly people. Take a drive through the countryside, visit a working farm, or go fishing on one of the many lakes. 7. Toronto. Last but not least, we have Toronto, located in Ontario. Toronto is Canada's largest city and is known for its diverse culture, world-class museums, and vibrant nightlife. Take a walk along the waterfront, visit the CN Tower, or indulge in some delicious food from around the world. And there you have it, our top 7 must-visit places in Canada. Whether you're looking for breathtaking natural beauty or vibrant city life, Canada has something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration.